guys, the very first deal we're going to pick up today at Publix are these Huggies pull-ups. Now, I'm going to be getting the nighttime ones. That's the one I like. These are $8.99. What we're going to do, first thing is, we're going to use this $2.50 coupon that we got a couple weeks ago. Now, if you don't have this coupon, I think you could submit this to coupons.com for $2.50 as well. In addition to that, we're going to use this $2 off coupon. That's a store coupon that's in the baby booklet. So using that as well. Now you can print it off, or you can go, I think if you go to like the pharmacy or something, they have them. I'm not sure, but I just went ahead and printed mine off to $2 off of that. So now our diapers are going to be $4.49. Now on IBOTTA, there are 2 rebates coming off, a $2 rebate and a $1 rebate. So both rebates are coming off. That's $3 in rebates coming off, making these pull-ups just $1.49, but also submit to fetch because you may be able to take some of that off as well. Correction on the pull-ups, I'm actually going to be using this $3 off coupon instead of that $2.50 coupon, so that's an even better deal, making these just 99 cents. Wow. Alright, shout out to Thrifty Mommy. She posted these. These are located in the checkout section, the first aid kits. Great to go in your car or your purse. They are $1.49. What you're going to do is pick up 2 of these, and you're going to use this $3 off Johnson & Johnson first aid kit because it says it right there. So pick up 2 of those. Use this coupon for $3 off on any 2, making these a 2-cent moneymaker or a cent each moneymaker. Thank you so much for Thrifty Mommy. We're also going to be picking up some regular Huggies diapers. These are the little movers. They got little snugglers, snug and dry, all of that. And they're all on sale for $8.99. They're usually $9.99. So we're going to do the same thing we did on the Pampers. We're going to submit the $2.50 on coupons.com or use the coupon if you already have that as well. You're also going to use another one of these $2 coupons. So I printed off 2 of them from the Publix website. But like I said, you may be able to get this from the baby book in the store if they have it. When you do that, it's going to total to $4.49 for a pack of diapers, and then also submit to fetch because there may be some rewards on there. There are no rewards on IBOTTA, but check your fetch account. So $4.49 for a pack of diapers. Awesome deal. Another great deal with Johnson & Johnson. These are the Johnson & Johnson hand and face wipes, located with all the rest of the baby items. So these are actually $3.29. It is part of the buy 2 get $3 off. So here's the math. So we're going to buy 2 at $3.20. Before coupons, it's going to be $6.40. We're going to use 2 of these $1 off coupons. Now if you do not have these, I printed some off also on coupons.com. So go see if you can find those. So $1 and $1. We're using both, so $2 off. Then we're going to be using 2 of these $1 off coupons from the baby book. So like I said, go in the store, ask for the baby book if you need it, if you don't have this. So using 2 of these, that's $2 off in addition. And then also that $3 off is going to come off with the register, making this a 60-cent moneymaker. Amazing. All right, guys, this is an extreme moneymaker on the Spring Tree Maple Syrup. Now, the bigger bottles are $7.69, and the smaller bottles are $4.89. Now, remember, with Swagbucks, you need to submit a receipt by itself because Swagbucks can be tricky, so just put these in a transaction alone. You're going to pick up 2 of these at $4.89. It's going to total $9.78. You're going to submit the receipt to Swagbucks for 2,000 Swagbucks or $20. That's going to leave you with a $10.22 moneymaker. Amazing moneymaker. $10 moneymaker. Next item is a BOGO. I love a BOGO. So these are buy one get one free for the Nando's sauce. Now I actually found this over near the hot sauces and the wing sauce. So I'm going to be picking up the garlic medium and then also the medium because I've never used this before. So like I said, they're $3.99, buy one get one free. You're going to pay $3.99 at the register, and then you're going to submit to IBOTTA for $1.50 on each. So $1.50 and $1.50, that's $3. And you're going to be paying just 99 cents or about 50 cents for each bottle of sauce. Great deal. We enjoy rice in our house. We probably eat rice 3 or 4 times a week, and see these accessible in the bag, the garden grains. One has the black beans, corn, and bell peppers, and the other one has the peas, carrots, and red bell peppers. Do all kinds of stuff with this. So these are on sale 2 for $3, so $1.50 each. And on IBOTTA, you can submit your receipt for $1 each, up to 5 times. So this will just make this bowl in the bag rice 50 cents each. So I'm going ahead and picking up all 5 boxes to get those $1 back for each box. Next item I'm getting is this Glad Press and Seal. They are on BOGO this week. They are usually $3.69. Now on my spreadsheet, I bought 1, but I actually bought 2 just because it's BOGO. So you're going to buy 2 at $3.69. And then I went to the Glad website. There's a short like review survey type thing that you take. It took me less than 30 seconds. I was able to print off a $1 coupon, refresh my screen, and then print another one. So that's taking $1 off one of them and $1 off another one, making these just $1.69 for both. So that's a really good deal, less than $1 for press and seal. Shout out again to Thrifty Mommy. She caught this deal from someone else. I'm not sure who it was, but the Nexus hair mask deep conditioning, I really want this, are $2.99. This has the coconut oil in it. I'm gonna try that tonight if it works. Now if it works, these are $2.99, which makes it $5.98 when you buy 2 of them. You're going to use this $8 off coupon that we got on coupons.com. So hopefully it works. If it works, it's going to make this a $2.02 money maker. So $1.01 money maker each if this works. If it works, I'm coming back and getting some more. All right, really excited about this Dove Men Plus Care. These are $5.59. What we're going to do is pick up 2 of these. It's going to be $11.18 when we pick up 2 of these. We're going to use this buy one, get one free. When you buy the Dove body wash, you get 1 of the men's free. Well, this is a Dove body wash, and you're going to get 1 for free. So it's going to take off $5.59. Then what we're going to do is use the store coupon of $2 off Dove body wash. So this will come off. Now this expires today, so if you can run to the store today, go do that. All right, and then what's going to happen is we're going to have an instant savings. When we buy 2, we'll get $3 off at the register. So with all that being said, our total is going to be 59 cents, or about 30 cents per bottle, which is amazing. All right, praisers and savers, we just got back from Publix. A couple things I need to tell you about, but overall, very excited. I'm looking at my principal breakdown. This will be in the description box for you guys. Everything was a $2.09 money maker. We love a money maker. I've already submitted my receipts. Everything worked out beautifully. We've even had a couple improvements. One thing that I didn't get was the Nexus mask. That was that little packet using that $8 off coupon. The lady at the register would not let me use it. I tried to go to a different register in the beginning, a younger guy, because I like the teenagers, but he was completely full. Everybody must have liked him as well. So didn't happen on the Nexus, but everything else worked out. Even the pull-ups was a better deal than I thought it was, because when I submitted to Fetch, it made it cheaper. So just remind you, the pull-ups were, when I bought one, they were $8.99. I used that $3 coupon, the $3 pull-ups coupon, and then I used that $2 store coupon from the baby booklet, making that $3.99. And then IBOTTA actually had 2 rebates, so a $1 rebate and a $2 rebate coming back, making it 99 cents. Then Fetch had $1 coming back, making that a penny money maker. Oh my gosh, love a money maker. So that was super excited. Of course, we got the maple syrup, worked just fine. That was a $10.22 money maker. We got the Johnson's baby wipes, and those were a 60-cent money maker. So everything worked out so well. Make sure you check out my printable breakdown in the description box. It'll show you exactly what to do, what coupons to use, if it's a coupon, a store coupon, a digital, an instant savings. It even has all the rebate apps on there. Like I said, $2.09 moneymaker for everything you see here. I love it because this right here, I never ever get coupons for this. So make sure you go on their website, do a little survey, and you'll be able to get coupons for that. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.